Now we'll go to move on to the next problem. Problem number 3. An equilateral triangular lamina of 30 mm side lies with one of its edges on HP such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Then draw its projection. Now read the problem once or twice, then write the given data. Now what are the given data? Given data. First identify the type of lamina. What type of lamina? An equilateral triangular lamina. Equilateral triangular lamina. What do you mean by equilateral triangular lamina? All sides are equal and included angle is 60 degree, means it is a regular triangular lamina only. And second one is given of 30 mm side. What is 30 mm side? The size of the lamina. The side of the lamina is how much? 30 mm side lies with one of its edges. Lies with one of its edges on HP. Now this is a resting position. Is a resting position. What is the resting position here? Lies with one of its edges on HP. One of its edges on HP, such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Now the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. That is resting edge. Resting edge is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Then draw its projection. By seeing the first identify the type of lamina is a equilateral triangular or regular lamina. The size is given 30 mm. Now resting position is given. Rest on is HP. One of its edges on HP. Then the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree and the resting edge is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Now it will come under which position it is? That is third position. That is, what is the third position? Lamina is inclined to both the planes, that is HP and VP. Now this is the given data. Yes, now consider a horizontal plane and vertical plane. Now this is an equilateral triangular lamina or regular lamina, right? Now is given is an equilateral triangular lamina of side 30 mm. All sides are equal, so 30 mm. Is resting position, that is the lies with one of its edges on HP. Now consider any one edge, either AB, BC or CA, resting on HP. Now it's rest on HP. Then the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Now the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Right? AB is a resting edge. The lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. And the resting edge, which is the resting edge? AB is a rest on HP. Now you can see the resting edge. AB is perpendicular to VP, means there is a 90 degree to VP. But in problem is given the resting edge is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Now inclined to VP at 60 degree. Now you can see that the lamina is inclined to both the planes. You will not get a true shape and true size of the lamina by seeing a top view or by seeing front view also. Then how do you solve this problem? First make a lamina for the first position parallel to the plane, that is the HP, and perpendicular to another plane. This is the first position. After that first position over, second position take convenient distance, make the lamina is inclined to one plane and perpendicular to another plane, then draw its front view on top view. Then third position is make a lamina, that is the resting edge AB is 60 degree. Now make third position inclined both the planes. Now the lamina is inclined to HP and also inclined to AP. Then draw its projection, the top view and front view. Is it right? Now we'll see how it looks on the. Now you can see how it looks on the sheet of paper. Now first draw a horizontal line. The horizontal line, we name it as X, Y. Above XY line is VP, below XY line is HP. On VP front we will come, on HP top will come. Now you can see that the equilateral triangular lamina of side 30 mm, the resting position, rest on which plane it is? One lies on with one of its edges on resting on HP. Now we'll start on the HP. Make the lamina is and also is inclined to HP at 60. Now where we start the problem? First we start the problem on HP. Make the lamina is parallel to that HP. That's the first position. What is the first position? Make the lamina parallel to one plane and perpendicular to another plane, right? Now is rest on its edge, means draw a vertical line. Always resting edge you take on left side. Measure that vertical line, how much side is given, 30 mm. Now then take conventional distance 10 to 20 mm. Now call that this is edge is A, this edge is B. Now through the compass, B is the center, BA is the radius, then draw an arc. Then A is the center, AB is the radius, and draw one more arc. The intersection point is called as C. Then join BC and AC. Join BC and AC. Now we will get an equilateral triangular line. This is a thick one. Now this is the first position, top view over. Now how do you get first position, front view? First draw all the corners of the lamina. Draw all the corners, project all the corners of the lamina to the front view. Now A in the front view become A dash. From B and A coincide, we will get B dash. While seeing from this side, B is visible, A is invisible, that is B dash is visible, A dash is invisible. From C, draw it C dash. Then join A dash and C dash, A dash, B dash and C dash. Now we will get on the XY line we will get a front view. This is the first position, front view. Now after this, the first step is over. The resting position lies with one of its edges on HP. What is second condition is given? The lamina is inclined, surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Whatever the dimensions given with respect to HP, that I want to show in VP. Now take convenient distance, which is the resting edge. The resting edge is, now this will be the resting edge. The resting edge is AB, right? Now the resting edge is rest on HP, right? The surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Now take convenient distance, take a point B dash, A dash, through the compass, through the protractor, draw how much angle it is, 60 degree. What are the dimensions given with respect to HB, that I want to show in VP. Through the protractor, draw a 60 degree line. On the 60 degree line, measure B dash, A dash is center, and A dash, C dash is radius. Then draw an arc. Now erase the unwanted lines. Then this is second position. What is second position? Make the lamina inclined to one plane and perpendicular to another plane, right? Now from A dash, draw a vertical projector. From A, the top view of the first position, draw a horizontal projector that meet at point that is called as A. Next, from the vertical of P dash, draw a vertical projector. From top view of the first position, draw horizontal projector, that is B. From C dash vertical projector, C horizontal projector, that meted point is C. Then join AB, BC and AC. Again BC and AC are the reduced size, but AB is the true size, true side. Right, now the second position is over. Again AB is a resting position. Now this is over. Right, now what is the third condition is given? The resting edge. What is the resting edge? AB is the resting edge, is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Whatever the dimension is given with respect to VP, that I want to show in HP. Which is the resting edge? AB is the resting edge. Now resting edge AB is what angle it is? 90 degree. Now I want to make it 60 degree. Now whatever the dimension given to VP, that I want to show in HP. Take convenient distance, draw through the protractor, draw a 60 degree line. Now replace this lamina, projected lamina, replace on this 60 degree line. Now what is the resting edge? AB is the resting edge. Take convenient distance A through the compass, measure AB, or AB is actually 30 mm, right? On the 60 degree line, take any convention, take AB is 30 mm, right? Now through the compass, B is the center, BC is the radius. Then draw a arc. Then A is the center, AC is the radius, A is the center, AC is the radius. Draw one more arc. That intersection point is C. Just replacing the ABC, this lamina, project lamina on 60 degree line. Then join BC and join AC also. Now this is what third position. What is the third position? The lamina is inclined to both the planes. Then draw from this top view of the lamina. Draw its, how do you see the front view? Draw vertical projection A, the horizontal projection from A dash, that meted point, this is A dash. Vertical projector from B, then horizontal projection from B dash, then vertical projector from C, and horizontal projector from C dash, that meted point C dash. Now join A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash, and A dash, C dash. Now this is what third position of the lamina. Now the lamina is inclined to both the plane. Again, we will not get the true shape and size in either in front view or in top view. This is called as a three position method. So remember that in first position, the lamina is parallel to one plane and perpendicular to another plane. Second position, the lamina is inclined to one plane and perpendicular to another plane. Third position, the lamina is inclined to both the planes. Remember this, and also remember the procedure, the points to remember, steps to remember. You can see here the steps. What is the first step? Now from onwards, all the problems are related to in when the lamina is inclined to both the planes only. Now you can see in the primer, all 50 problems are related to this position only, third position only, right? Then how do you remember the points? See the points to remember. Now first step 1, identify the type of lamina and its size. Then method of solving the problem, that is later we'll discuss the normal method and beta method. Up to what we solved here, this is what type of method is a normal method. Later I will tell you the beta method. The second step, identify the resting position of the lamina, whether it is on HP or VP, whether on edge condition or corner condition. Now in the previous problem is rest on edge. The third step is make a lamina parallel to one plane and perpendicular to another plane. This is the first position. Then make a lamina inclined to one plane and perpendicular to another plane. This is second position. Then make the lamina is inclined to both the plates. Remember these 5 steps before going to solve that problem, and according to these steps only you follow it. Then points to remember: take resting position, whether it is in corner, rest on corner, or rest on edge of the lamina on left side. Always take resting position on the left side of the lamina. Now remember these also points in the position. The statement in the problem, the statement is given: if the diagonal, median, bisector line or horizontal line of the plane appears, the word comes appears, or the top view or front view of etc. it comes, then the lamina will come under normal method or direct method. What we solved now, that is a normal method, direct method. Suppose in the problem, the statement: if the diagonal, median, bisector or horizontal line of the lamina etc. it then if only is given, appear word not there here, then it will comes under beta method or locus method. Only the third position will changes here. First and second position is remain same, third position is changes. Now we'll solve one more problem on this beta method in next class. Thank you for watching this video.